We are on a mission to cultivate future innovators today through computer science education. And we do it in a fun way, the different activities and books and toys, STEM toys that we create and programs we create to help inspire curiosity in STEM learning. So we try to boost the kids' confidence in STEM.
So we have a program called Digital Maker Studio, and we do it here at Elizabeth Traditional. And I teach the girls a little bit about computer science. And each week that I come, we have a different topic. So we talk about engineering, we talk about programming, we do a bunch of cool activities. And it's really for me, for the girls to get an introduction to computer science. And then hopefully, my hope is that later on, they will study it when they get to middle and high school.
I love the coding. It just gets my brain working, and I love hustling, and I just love challenges.
We created Charmin the Computer Scientist Princess Can Code storybook with real computer science terms and activities in the book. So kids get to see themselves in her so that they can be inspired.
I get to see them do the challenges because I know it can be kind of hard, but they just have to push through it. And I love seeing them do that.
I want girls to know that they can do this too. And a lot of them shy away from it just because of the technical terms and they think it's too hard, but it's not. Anybody can learn computer science.